लास्ट सेशन ની અંદર આપણે સેલેરી એના એક્ઝામ્પલ નંબર 3 અને 4 કેલ્ક્યુલેટ કરેલા હતા. નાઉ એક્ઝામ્પલ નંબર 5, that is example number 19 of your book. Mr. J is a specified employee. Determine taxable salary for previous year 2019-20 from the following particulars. Basic salary 22,500 per month up to 30th November. Thereafter 30,000 per month. Dearness allowance 50% of basic pay, 1/3 is for retirement benefit. Transport allowance 20,000. Education allowance for 3 children 8,000. Hostel allowance for 1 child 5,000. Interest 12% per annum credited to RPF account 36,000. Gas, water, electricity charge paid by company 2/3 is for personal purpose, that is 18,000. Compensation paid for injury suffered while performing office duty, that is fully exempted 30,000. Employer has provided chauffeur driven, that is driver car capacity 1.8 liter, that is exceeding 1.6 liter for office as well as for personal purpose. All the expenses are made by employer. Rupees 1,000 per month is deducted from his salary. This is not considered because recovery from employee is not considered in motor car perquisites. Employer has provided him accommodation in Ahmedabad whose fair rental value is 5,000 per month. Furniture costing rupees 4 lakhs is also provided by employer. The employee has contributed 6,550 toward these perquisites. Here fair rental value is given, so house is owned by company. Company's contribution to recognized provident fund 45,200 and employee contributed rupees 38,000. Expense paid by company on behalf of employee, club fee 10,000, LIC premium 3,000. Sum calculate करसी, statement prepare करसी. Statement showing taxable income from salary of Mr. J for assessment year 2019-20, 2021 and financial year 2019-20. Mr. J. First, basic salary. Working note number 1. Up to November 1/4 to 30th 11, his basic salary is 22,500 multiplied by April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, that is 8 months. From 1/12 to 31st March, his basic salary is 30,000 per month. So December, January, February, March, 4 months. 22,500 multiplied by 8, that is 1,80,000. 30,000 multiplied by 4, that is 1,20,000. So 1,80,000 plus 1,20,000, that is 3 lakhs. 3 lakh is basic salary. Second, dearness allowance, that is 50% of basic pay, 3 lakhs na 50%. 1,50,000. Third, telephone allowance, telephone allowance 20,000. Fourth, education allowance for 3 children 5,000. Minus exempted 100 per month per child up to 2 child. He having 3 child but only 2 are exempted. So 100 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 12, that is 2400. 5000 minus 2400, 2600. Fifth, hostel allowance. Hostel allowance is 36,000. Here it is 8,000. 8,000 minus 2400, that is 5,600. And hostel allowance is 5,000 minus 300 per month per child. Only one child is studying in a hostel, so 300 multiplied by 12, that is 3600. 5,000 minus 3600, 1400. Sixth, interest credited to RPF. RPF interest, note 2. Actual interest credited 12% per annum minus exempted 9.5%. 12 minus 9.5, that is 2.5 is taxable. 12% amount है 36,000. So 2.5 है how much? 36,000 multiplied by 2.5 divided by 12, that is 7,500. RPF taxable interest 7,500. Seventh, company paid injury suffered by performing compensation. Next, gas, water and electricity. Personal, gas, water and electricity. Total 18,000 and 2/3 for personal purpose. 18,000 multiplied by 2 divided by 3, 12,000 is taxable. 8, compensation. Fully exempted. 9th, motor car facility. 3rd, note 3, motor car. 1.6 and less. Exceeding 1.6, expense paid by employee, expense paid by employer. 600, 900, 1800, 2400 plus 900 driver's charge. कारनी क्यूबिक कैपेसिटी આપણે આપેલી છે 1.8 liters, that is greater than 1.6. All the expenses are borne by employer. So 2400 plus 900, 2400 plus 900, 3300 is taxable, multiplied by 12 months, 39600. Recovery from employee is not considered, so 39600. 10th, accommodation facility. Working note number 4, accommodation. First of all, we have to find out BABC, basic salary 3 lakhs, plus DA retirement benefit. 1/3 is DA for consider for retirement benefit. So 1,50,000 and a 1/3. 1,50,000 divided by 3, that is 50,000. Other taxable allowance, telephone allowance 20,000, education allowance 5,600, hostel allowance 1,400, that is 27,000. Bonus and commission information is not given. So total of this 3 lakhs plus 50,000 plus 27,000, 3,77,000 is BABC. House is owned by company and it is in city Ahmedabad. Population Ahmedabad is more than 25 lakhs. So value of unfurnished 15% of BABC, 377,000 and a 15%, that is 56,550 plus 10% of furniture. Furniture is also provided by employer. The furniture value is 4 lakhs. 4 lakhs na 10%, that is 40,000 plus 40,000, 96,550. Rupees 6,550 is deducted from employer's salary. So contribution or token rent, that is 16,550 less 16,550. So 80,000 is taxable perquisites. 80,000. Next, company's contribution to recognized provident fund, employers RPF contribution, that is working note number 5. Note 5, employers RPF. Actual is company's contribution to RPF account 45,200 plus 12% of basic plus DA retirement benefit. Basic is given 3 lakhs, retirement benefit DA 50,000, that is 3,50,000 and a 12%. 42,000 minus 45,200, that is 3,200 taxable. Next, 12th, expense paid by company on behalf of employee. LIC 3,000, club fee 10,000, total 13,000. Total of this is gross salary 3 lakhs plus 1,50,000 plus 20,000 plus 5,600 plus 1,400 plus 7,500 plus 12,000 plus 396,000 plus 80,000 plus 3,200 plus 13,000, that is 6,32,300. This is gross salary less specified deduction. Standard deduction 50,000, professional tax Professional tax, that is information number. Professional tax is not given, so dash. 50,000 minus thase 582,300. This is taxable salary. This is your answer. Next sum we will start in our next session. Thank you.